morning, my name is Israel Moravia. I am the Program Manager of Public Safety Technology Systems. I'm responsible to lead and implement technologies related to public safeties. Our team is responsible to make sure that we provide the best technology to the public. In 2018, we were given a mission by our executive staff to implement and develop and test renewable energies at these new type of transit centers. As it pertains to public safety, we partner up with PowerStack during the implementation and testing to provide a sustainable and valuable tool to the public and to our operation. We've had great success. The product has provided ample amount of lighting, and the cameras have provided investigation information. Today we're at the Norwood Transit Center, and this was our first prototype transit center that provided renewable energy to the public. So there is no tied-in utilities into this location.